Life is kind of like cooking. You know what I mean? Sometimes you crank up the heat thinking it'll get dinner on the table faster, but you just end up with a burnt mess. I learned that lesson the hard way, over and over, in all kinds of situations. A few years ago, I threw my back out pretty bad. Tried to be a tough guy, you know? Kept working through the pain, figured it'd just go away. Big mistake. Ended up making it way worse, and what should have been a few days of rest turned into weeks of physical therapy. I finally realized I needed to slow down to actually heal. Instead of rushing back to work, I focused on the exercises, got more sleep, and actually let my body recover. Turns out, pushing myself harder just made the whole process longer. So that's my little nugget of wisdom for today. Sometimes the fastest way to get somewhere is to just slow down. Think about it. What are you rushing through right now that could actually benefit from a little less speed? If this resonated with you, smash that like button. And if you want more real talk like this, subscribe. I'm here every day.